crafty friends, welcome back. This is Lacey the Cheeky Bum. So this is my first video in my new craft room and it's not all done yet. I've only got a desk in here. I'm very displaced at the time. Hopefully it won't be too echoey in here. But I have a project share. I have an outgoing Patriotic swap. The swap was held by Meekaboo32 and Big Mama Cab over on Instagram, and on YouTube it's Meekaboo32 and Crafty Caboose. I'll link both Rocky and Mika's information down below so you can check them out. They're always doing swaps or hosting swaps just like me. So I'm gonna share what I've made. So this was a loaded envelope swap and I'm just kind of packaging stuff up. So before I package it up, I figured I would do my video real quick because I hate packaging, unpackaging anyway. So this is the basis of what I've made. Let's see if I can back you out a little bit. Yeah, sorry, my desk is a mess. So it's a loaded envelope, but I've created like a tripod one. So it's like stand up. I'll link the inspiration video down below. I took a lot of inspiration from it, but added a couple things. So let me take everything out and then I will show you what I've got in here and then I'll package it all back up. So this is the base of the envelope. I added this extra top pocket, and then if you flip it up on the back side, I've created this like little like file folder pocket so that I could put some sticker sheets in there. So that's like that. We also had to create a dangle or beaded pen pokey tool. I like dangles, so I've just hooked my dangle right there. And it's very cute, very patriotic. So it hangs nice and I've got some nice pockets, even though a lot of what I've made doesn't all fit in the pockets. So it is what it is, but that's the basic envelope. So I've got quite a bit of little things that I've made. I know that one had to be a star shaker. You need a Memdex. Let's see, a Memdex, a star shaker, a wand. I know there's more. Sweet treat, the loaded envelope, and then like the beaded something or other. So I made a little extra. You know, I just made as much as I could in the allotted time. I wish I could have made more because I actually had a lot of fun with this. This is the first like patriotic 4th of July crafting I've done, like paper crafting. So I really wish I had time to do more, but you know, time is limited. Life is lifing, stuff is happening. So this is what I've made. So again, I have the front, I kept it kind of busy or kind of simple because things are gonna be added. It's gonna be kind of covered up. So the envelope itself is somewhat simple. If you've watched my Instagram, you might have already seen these. So I created these ice cream sundae bag toppers, but I kept it patriotic because I got these and I wanted to use them but still keep it patriotic theme. So I've just added some stars, red, white, and blue, and then like a little bomb pop type of popsicle on there. So for my star shaker, I made a star tag. I've just stapled some little tassels up here. I kept it, like I didn't want to tie it traditionally. I wanted it to stay up, so it's kind of like a firework, firecracker, something like that. So kept it like that. What else did I make? I made some of these little banners. I did not have small enough like USA little alpha dies or stickers to put on here, but I figured they could do that if they want. They could keep it simple, but I've made 2 different colorways for each. I also made these like little shaker things. So I had gotten these bingo cards, I think from Dollar General, for like junk journaling and other things, but I thought that they were really cute and I kind of wanted to use them in some way because they're very summery, patriotic. So I've used my like soda die and done some shakers. So that's got shaker balls. It's got just a few stars in there. And I've done like a little firework thing here. Added USA, added some diamond dots and some other stars just to kind of do something. So they could add this into like a junk journal, an album, a traveler's notebook, any kind of thing they wanted. They could take this apart if they wanted to and use it in whatever way they want. But I thought that they were cute. The only thing that's going to be different in these swaps are like colorways. Like I had already had these 2 sets of USA cut out, and I really didn't want to cut out anymore. So somebody's going to get blue and somebody's going to get red. So almost everything in the swap is the same. Again, slight color differences, but I thought that was fun. Here is my mem decks I created. So I got these like firecrackers off from Hobby Lobby, and I just kind of slit a hole in them, and I created just like a little file on my Cricut. This is like a sparkler firecracker type of die, and I just kind of created a cluster to put on there. I tried to create some dimension. Unfortunately, my color printer was not being very nice to me, so this is just from my laser printer, so it's just black and white with all the information on the back. So those are my Memdexes, and this is my wand. I don't know, I just wasn't very inspired by these wands. I had the wand base itself is from Dollar Tree. I cut out another star and another color to glue on the back so that I could fix this little firecracker on here. I've got a little rosette. I've got some dangly bits. These are glued in between the stars, these stars, but this ribbon is just tied on so that they can untie it and use the trim in any way they want. Here's another little dangle that I created, and I just kind of hooked it on here so it can be reused. And they're just like a little acrylic USA with some stars and a few beads. So I was gonna put, like, I actually had all this stuff on my other dangle too, but I just didn't like the way it looked and you couldn't really see the USA, so I separated it and made 2 separate dangles. So that is the stuff that I've made. I also have these cute little reusable straws. I have this package of Patriotic straws so that you can use them for banners, wands, flags, whatever you want. I have this pack of Jolie stickers that I had found that are really cute. I also have this pack of puffy stickers. So those all go in the back here. The straws, the straw, let's see. I'll put the swans back here. So kind of all looks like that. And then I gotta package all that stuff up. I do have these star boxes. If you haven't seen them, these are hard to put together. I do have a small tutorial. These are from the Dollar Tree as well. But in these star boxes, I have like sequin mixes. So I have shaker balls, I have star sequins, and then I have this bag of like halfback pearls and blingy stars and stuff. So that's what's in this little box. I'm trying to think of what else I have. Let's see, oh, I have this little packet of stuff. So I got these little, they're like burger, like glassine bags from Target Dollar Spot, but I thought that they were just cute. So I have, in here I have a couple more of the bingo cards that they can use for things. I have some tickets. I thought I had red tickets, but I don't, but I'll put those in there too so they can do some things with them. And then I have these little star picks. They were plain. I've added these little blue star things, glittery stars on top of them as well, so that they have a little variety of things to craft with for next year or whenever. You can do Patriotic whenever. And then I also have these bags are the bags that I'm putting everything in. These are from Walmart. And in here, I have these gel window clings just because they were so cute. I had to get them. I also have my sweet treat and a pair of sunglasses. And of course, you know, maybe they can use these next year. I really wanted to be able to bling these up. But you know, time. Time is always working against us, isn't it? And like, rhinestoning stuff up is actually very time consuming. So I just didn't have time to do that. So that's what I have for my swap partners. And for a hostess gift, I know Mika likes pickles, so I found these and I thought that these would be great for her. And I also created, this is my first traveler's notebook. Is it amazing? No. Did I learn some things? Yes. Do I need to work on some things? Yes. But this is my first traveler's notebook that I've done. So I did not, my sewing machine is still put up, so I did not have a chance to get out my sewing machine. I don't even know if I can get to it. But this is what I've created. So I just have this little strap on here. It says USA. Just do a quick little flip through. I have some like tuck spots and stuff. I have some bling in here. I know Mika likes bling. So I thought it wasn't too bad for my first one. I didn't go too elaborate because I don't know what she'll want to do with this. It definitely could use like some more stuff, but you know, again, time. And I have to, you know, mail this out. I have to dig out all my stuff because things are still in boxes and in totes. Yeah, so fun stuff, but this was really fun. I hope to create more, and I actually had a lot of fun making this traveler's notebook, so I'm really hoping to do more of them. I think that it's really fun. Yeah, I had fun making everything, so I hope that my swap partner likes it. I hope Mika likes it, and yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.